Last season was a huge privilege. It was an honor to be called up to this team, Fiji's first Super Rugby team. Like you said, it was tough to leave home for that long. I don't think I've ever spent that much time away from home without going back. So it was a unique challenge, but I think the boys, we built a really good bond between ourselves. We built our own little family over there. We celebrated Christmas together, New Year's. So yeah, I think it was just such a privilege and an honor to be with the boys. People just support us, they really back us, and it's so genuine to see that support in their faces, especially, like you say, at the game. And yeah, I didn't play against the Highlanders, but I could definitely feel the atmosphere, and running on against the Chiefs in Lotoka, it's another feeling. You know, you really feel like the Drua we wear is carrying everybody in it, and it's real powerful. But they're definitely our 24th man. You know, they're always in with us. In that last 10 minutes against the Chiefs, we scored that first try, and the crowd just erupted. And even though we were tired, and you know, Lotoka's hot, our jerseys soaked, we're feeling fatigued, but the crowd just gets in us, it gets in our bones. You can't replace that, and that's something that we have in Fiji in bucket loads. Love to everybody for all the support. We appreciate every single ounce of energy that you guys give us. Come out in numbers, and we hope to make you guys proud. Nak.